Maintaining the correct engine oil level is crucial for your Audi Q3's performance and longevity. Proper lubrication prevents wear, dissipates heat, and ensures smooth engine operation. This tutorial covers both dipstick and electronic methods for 2015-2018 Q3 models. Not all 2015-2018 Audi Q3s have a dipstick. Some models, especially those with 2.0T engines, rely solely on an electronic oil level monitoring system. Dipstick-equipped Q3s have a yellow-handled dipstick located near the engine block under the hood. Electronic systems are accessed through the vehicle's MMI display in the dashboard. To determine which system your Q3 has, visually inspect the engine bay or check your owner's manual. Park your Q3 on level ground and turn off the engine completely. Wait 10 to 15 minutes to allow the oil to settle back into the pan. Locate the dipstick under the hood, typically with a yellow handle near the engine. Pull the dipstick out completely and wipe it clean with a cloth. Reinsert the dipstick fully into its tube. Remove the dipstick again and check the oil level against the minimum and maximum marks. The oil level should be between the min and max marks on the dipstick. If it's below min, add oil. If the oil level is below the min mark, you need to add oil. Locate the oil filler cap, which is marked with an oil can symbol. Remove the cap and add oil gradually using a funnel. Use the recommended oil type, typically 5 watts 30 or 5W40 synthetic. Avoid overfilling to prevent engine damage. For Audi Q3 models with electronic oil monitoring, you can check the oil level through the MMI display instead of using a dipstick. First, tap the touchscreen display to access the main menu. Next, select the car option from the main menu. Then, choose Vehicle Status from the submenu. Finally, select Engine Oil to view the oil level. The system will display the current oil level, showing oil level OK when it's normal, or prompting you to add oil if it's low. If the electronic system indicates low oil, don't ignore it. While sensor errors can occur, it's best to investigate. Sensor errors can occur, so verify the reading. Check the MMI display for accuracy. If possible, visually inspect for leaks under the vehicle. Look for oil puddles or drips. Add oil as indicated by the system, but be cautious. Add gradually to avoid overfilling. Some Q3 owners experience false low oil warnings, which can be misleading. If you suspect a false reading, consider a secondary check using the dipstick if your vehicle has one. Faulty sensors are a common possibility causing inaccurate readings. Consult an Audi technician to diagnose the issue and potentially replace the sensor for accurate readings. Firmware updates may also address sensor calibration issues to improve accuracy. Check your oil level every 3,000 to 5,000 miles or before long trips. Use the correct oil type and capacity of 4.6 to 5.7 quarts depending on your engine. Regularly inspect for leaks to prevent engine damage. Consider upgrading to aftermarket electronic oil level sensors for improved accuracy. Prioritize oil checks for optimal engine health.